It's Flower Friday. Today, we see the Inspin version of the flower that we saw last week, the double triquetra. First, this flower is in water element. This flower is on wall plane. Both poi are in front of me. And we do need to figure out the empty space that we do have inside our arm. Both poi are doing the same thing. Circle, extension, circle, extension. Let's dive into that tutorial. My poi is on the left side, and if he's on the left, he will be in the empty space, the inside of my arm. But when I will be here, I will switch my arm, and my left poi, if my left poi cross, the poi will be in front of me, here. And let's just play with that. Left poi in front, left poi inside. You have to work on both hands. So I will have my right poi inside, right poi on the right side. He will be inside of my arm. And then when he's here on the other side, my arm are crossed. The right poi will be in front. Now that we figure out the empty space, let's figure out that movement. Drop the poi. Both are down. I'm coming to the right side, right, do circle on the inside. Jointing. Left, circle, left side, down. Right to up. Left to down. Right to up. Left to down. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. And slowly, the movement will happen. The poi that will be in front will do an extension. But first, both poi are spinning. Extension to spin. Extension to spin. Extension to spin. Extension to extension. Oh, here it goes. Extension and extension. White poi extend, blink poi extend. White poi extend, blink poi extend. At first, what will happen is that your hand will not be connected. Like extend, 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 extend. And it is fine. At the end, you will be able to connect your hand. I would like to sincerely say bravo for all your work. I think that if we do have more poi spinner, and more people that do movement, maybe we'll be less into violence and all those kind of things. Bye-bye.